Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm sharing some of the 5 common aging beauty routine mistakes and how to avoid them. When it comes to our beauty routines, we've all been guilty of making a few mistakes that can add years to our appearance. These mistakes can be as simple as using the wrong products, bad application, or not taking care of our skin properly, but they can all have a significant impact on how young and radiant we look. Many of us have misconceptions about what works and what doesn't when it comes to our beauty routines. We might think that using a ton of product is a lot better, or that we need to exfoliate every day to get rid of those dead skin cells. However, these misconceptions can actually be doing more harm than good. Using too much product can clog our pores, sit in wrinkles and highlight, rather than help to disguise them and weigh our skin down. While over-exfoliating can really strip our skin of its natural oils and cause irritation and dryness, which always just makes wrinkles and fine lines look worse. I'm not saying not to exfoliate. There are some brilliant products out there and it's really good for getting rid of dead skin cells and brightening the skin up. I'm just saying not to over-exfoliate. Follow the guidelines on the brand's product for how often to use it. So, mistake number 1. Our skin, especially on our face and around our eyes, is really delicate and needs to be treated with care. When we use harsh products or over-exfoliate, we can cause damage that takes years to repair. And this damage can lead to fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, making us look even older than we really are. So by being more mindful of our beauty routines and avoiding common mistakes, we can help keep our skin looking healthy and youthful for longer. Mistake number 2, talking of dry skin being aging, hydration is crucial for maintaining healthy and youthful looking skin. And it's one of the most impactful things you can do to help with a more youthful appearance. And I know you've heard it over and over again, but drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help keep our skin looking plump and supple. Think of your face like a plum. If it's dehydrated, it's going to look more like a prune. Whereas when the skin's hydrated and plumped, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By drinking plenty of water and using hydrating products, it really gives our skin its best shot at looking its best and looking more smooth and radiant. While we're on the subject of nutrition and hydration, it's also essential to eat a balanced diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and even good fats like olive oils and avocados, as these foods are packed with antioxidants that can really help to combat aging. By combining a healthy diet with a good skincare routine, we can keep our skin looking its best. It's really about nourishing it from the inside and out. Mistake number 3. Common misconceptions about skincare can also lead to mistakes in our daily routines. For example, some people think that they need to use hot water to clean their skin, but this can actually strip our skin of its natural oils, a bit like over-exfoliating. Others might think that they don't need to wear sunscreen every day and can build up a natural resistance. And yes, I've heard this myself in the lipstick lab, but this can lead to premature aging and even skin cancer. By educating ourselves about what really works and what doesn't, we can make informed decisions about our skincare routines. So please don't try the no SPF building up the resistance thing. Mistake number 4, using the wrong products for your skin type is a common mistake that can make us look older. Think of your skin as a canvas for a painting, and every artist knows the importance of priming their canvas if they want the best results. If we have dry skin, using a product that's meant for oily skin can strip our skin of its natural moisture, leading to dryness and irritation. On the other hand, if we have oily skin, using a product that's meant for dry skin can clog our pores and make our skin look greasy. It's really important to choose products that are tailored to your skin type and skin concerns to keep your skin looking healthy and balanced. For me personally, that's skincare for dry skin, fine lines, and wrinkles. Mistake number 5, and I know you've heard this one before as well, but not getting enough sleep is another mistake that can make us look so much older. Sleep is really essential for our skin's health as it allows our skin to repair and regenerate itself. When we don't get enough rest, our skin can look dull and tired with dark circles under our eyes and a lackluster complexion. By prioritizing sleep and aiming for 7 to 8 hours a night, it at least gives us some chance of waking up looking refreshed and rejuvenated. Other things you can do to help include incorporating a facial massage into your daily routine, which can also have a significant impact on your skin's appearance. There are lots of different ways to do this, whether it's with your hands, a gua sha, or something like the Zip Halo device, which really stimulates your facial muscles with both microcurrent and nanocurrent. Massaging our face can increase blood flow and promote lymphatic drainage, which can help to reduce puffiness and give our skin a more lifted appearance. It can also help to get rid of tension. I know for one that I personally grind my teeth at night, and that will really help relax the facial muscles, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I promise you it's worth a few extra minutes in the morning or even in the evening. By avoiding these common beauty routine mistakes, we can at least give our skin its best shot at looking more youthful and radiant. My takeaway is to go and spend a few minutes looking at your skincare products and routine and seeing if it's actually right for you, if it's really addressing your personal skincare needs. Using a few high quality products that are tailored to our skin rather than having a cabinet full of skincare products recommended by a friend or a magazine that aren't necessarily right for you is a great starting point. And a bit like makeup, more isn't always more when it comes to how often and how much you use something. These mistakes and their fixes can have a significant impact on your appearance, and by avoiding them, we can help to not necessarily take years off of our skin's look, but at least give our skin its best chance at looking more radiant and help it look its best, all in which helps to keep us looking more youthful. It's not about spending a fortune, but about making small changes to our daily routines and being more mindful about how we're treating our skin. Leave a comment below if you've made any of these beauty routine mistakes, and check out my other videos for more tips on how to keep your skin looking its best. Until next time.